Hello friends, today we are going to read Discover Air by Julia Vogel. Let's start. Contents: air all around, hot air, cold air, floating on air, incredible air, how heat changes air. Air all around. Breathe it, blow it, fan it, feel it in your hair. Air is all around us. It is a gas. Do you like to blow seeds of dandelions? Moving air is wind. Wind pushes clouds across the sky. Wind rattles leaves. Wind makes clouds move. It Wind makes waves too. It makes ocean waves. Wind sweeps down mountains and across desert. It flows around earth. Hot air, cold air, heat changes air. It makes air take up more space. Warm air gets lighter than lighter. It rises higher in the sky. Hot air makes balloon float. People use heat to blow up huge balloons. Cold air takes up less space. It gets heavier and sinks. When warm air floats up, colder air rushes it blow it. That rush is the wind. Warm air rises, cold air sinks. Moving air makes wind. The strongest winds are swirling tornadoes. Roaring hurricanes also bring powerful winds. Tornadoes can blow down houses. Hurricanes can rip apart towns. A tornado looks like a cloud with a cone shaped hanging down. This lake is clear because there is no wind. Sometimes air is still. Leaves do not rustle. Flags hangs lame, but air is always there. Floating on air. Moving or still, air has the power to lift kites, dancing it gusty winds. Air lifts kites high in the sky. Air makes dust dance in light. Look at a beam of light. Can you see tiny sparkles floating in the light? Air carries many small things. Wherever it goes, seeds, dust, and smoke floats with the air. Achoo! Cars gives off pollution that smells bad. Air also carries smells. Bits of food or pollution floats through air to your nose. You might smell warm cookies or yuck. There comes the garbage truck. The kitchen brings wonderful smells. Air even carries sound. Pop! A blast balloon makes sound waves. The waves ripple through air to your ears. Sound waves must ripple through something. That something is air. Do you have ever blow bubbles? When they pop, air carries the sound to your ears. Incredible air. Air wraps around earth like a fluffy blanket, and that is good news. Air surrounds earth. How long can you hold your breath? People cannot live long without air. Plants, animals, and people breathe air to stay alive. Think of all the way you use air for breathing, for blowing bubbles, for filling balloons, for listening. Often you cannot see it or feel it, but air shapes our lives. How heat changes air. Air is always a gas, but air changes when it is heats each day and cools each night. Cold air, heavier, takes up less space, sinks. Hot air, lighter, takes up more space, rise. The end. I hope you love this book, friend. See you next time with a different book. Bye bye.
mountain.